Near Protocol, NER, is a Layer 1 blockchain that was laid out as a local area-run distributed computing stage, as per its white paper. A Layer 1 blockchain is a progression of arrangements that upgrade the base protocol to change the organization into a more versatile framework. The benefit of a Layer 1 blockchain is that there is compelling reason need to include anything top of the current blockchain foundation. It offers a reasonable climate for decentralized applications, dApps. In the wake of succumbing to 2022's bear market, the framework's local Nearcoin is mobilizing as the protocol gears up to its multi-day engineer occasion in Lisbon. The send-off of Nearcoin. Eric Troutman, pioneer behind Viking Schooling, set up Near in August 2018. The task has areas of strength for and of engineers. Among its prime supporters are man-made intelligence specialist Ilya Polosukin and Alexander Skdanov, ex-Microsoft PC researcher and previous overseer of designing at Memschool. Near is worked by the local area, called Near Aggregate, which deals with the underlying code and delivers refreshes. The protocol has likewise been utilized as a base for a few tasks like motion and non-fungible token, NFT, printing stage mint base. Motion empowers engineers to lay out business sectors in light of resources, items and genuine occasions. The Nearcoin sent off on 14th of October at $1.69 and has since seen for the most part certain cost activity. As per the coin's cost graph, it's been trying new highs since July 2021. The Near crypto cost hopped over the $5 mark in August 2021 or more, the key $10 mental hindrance the next month. While different coins were battling in the midst of the 2022 bear market, Near was flourishing. The cryptographic money soared to its record-breaking high of $20.42 on 16th of January. Subsequent to rectifying beneath the $10 level in February, it began flooding again in April. It crested at a high of $19.64 on 8th of April. Near demonstrated defenseless against the new crypto crash. Its worth plummeted beneath $5 and was exchanging at a 52-week low of $2.90 on 18th of June. At the hour of composing, on 8th of September, Near had begun to recuperate. The digital money was exchanging at $4.45 and up practically 5% throughout the course of recent days. It was additionally positioned 25 out all digital currencies with its market capitalization of $3.4 billion. Changes in authority. The arrangement of John Smith as Near's main data security official was reported 29th of October. Chris Gent became worldwide head of brand procedure and organizations of Near Groundwork on 2nd of November. As per Near, Smith is driving the organization's data security system, working intimately with center advancement groups, accomplices and the Near People Group. Gent is dealing with building the Near Groundwork's technique of making a versatile, simple to utilize and get blockchain. Worldwide Chief Marika Flement was designated as the new president, successful January 1, 2022. Flement carried with her global business experience, alongside top-to-bottom information on cryptographic forms of money and the universe of fintech. Late Near protocol news. Near's new flood of 4.5% throughout the last week comes as it gets ready for its own huge-scope designer occasion in Lisbon. Nearcoin is said to occur somewhere in the range of 11 and September 14, 2022 with in excess of 2,000 participants and outstanding speakers, including Mary Beth Buchanan from the Cardano establishment Load Up and Hussein Qureshi, who is the overseeing accomplice at Dragonfly Capital, expected to join in. This occasion comes on the rear of Near seeing a flood in new records being enrolled with the blockchain. On 4th of September, the protocol recorded north of 360,000 new records throughout the course of recent days, an ascent of 15.5% from the week earlier. We should now investigate the specialized perspectives to find out about what Nearcoin's future execution could be. Nearcoin specialized outline. As per Coin Codex, financial backer opinion around the coin at the hour of composing, 8th of September, was non-partisan. In light of 14 bullish specialized examination value pointers and 12 negative signs. The apprehension and insatiability file, in any case, highlighted intense trepidation. CoinCodex assessed the worth of Near protocol could plunge by -26% and hit $3.30 by 7th of October. Considering the coin's key cost levels in view of past information, the traditional turn point on 8th of September was $4.28, with help levels at $4.14, $3.91, and $3.78. The coin's opposition levels were at $4.51, $4.65 and $4.88. Near coin cost expectation, short and long haul. In its near symbolic cost expectation, calculation-based cost estimating administration proposed that the token was a terrible speculation. Its near coin cost expectation for 2022 said it would have dipped under 37 cents in a year. While considering a near crypto cost forecast, it's essential to remember that digital money markets remain very unstable, making it challenging to precisely foresee what a coin or token's cost will be in a couple of hours, and, surprisingly, harder to give long-haul gauges. Accordingly, experts and calculation-based forecasters can and do misunderstand their expectations. Assuming you are thinking about putting resources into cryptographic money tokens, we suggest that you generally do your own examination. Take a gander at the most recent market patterns, news, specialized and key investigation, and well-qualified assessment prior to going with any speculation choice. Remember that previous presentation is no assurance of future returns. Furthermore, never exchange with cash that you can't bear to lose. Whether Near protocol is a wise venture will rely upon a few variables, including the organization's arrangements and coordinated efforts, and item dispatches. At the hour of composing, 8th of September, the coin's viewpoint from a few calculation-based stages, like digital coin price, was bullish. Notwithstanding, Wallet Financial backer expected it to fall beneath $1. In unstable cryptographic money markets, it is critical to do your own exploration on a coin or token to decide whether it is ideal for your venture portfolio. Whether the Near coin is a reasonable venture for you relies upon your gamble resistance and the amount you expect to contribute, among different elements. Remember that previous presentation is no assurance of future returns. Furthermore, never put away cash that you can't stand to lose. Calculation-based stages, for example, digital coin price and value expectation, the token seemed bullish, recommending Near cryptographic money could probably have a future. In any case, Wallet Financial backer proposed it was a terrible venture. Starting around 8th of September, Near was up 4% throughout the course of recent days as it gears up for its engineer meeting in Lisbon. In any case, the cryptographic money has lost